The smartphone industry has reached a plateau, or so they say. But inside the secretive labs at Apple Park, a revolution is brewing that will make your current iPhone feel like a relic from the Stone Age. We are talking about the iPhone 18 Pro. Forget incremental updates. Forget slightly better cameras. We are diving into a future where the line between reality and digital becomes invisible. If you think you've seen it all, you aren't ready for what's coming. Why are tech insiders calling this the end of the smartphone era, as we know it? Because Apple isn't just building a phone anymore. They are building a pocket-sized supercomputer that thinks, sees, and interacts in ways we only saw in sci-fi movies 10 years ago. Today, we are breaking down every single leak, every top-secret patent, and every supply chain whisper to give you the full picture of the iPhone 18 Pro. Let's start with the most controversial change, the death of the physical form. For years, Apple has been dreaming of a seamless slab of glass. And with the 18 Pro, they are finally achieving it. Rumors suggest the removal of the charging port was just the beginning. The 18 Pro is whispered to feature a solid-state chassis. No buttons, no seams, just a unified titanium glass structure that feels like it was carved from a single crystal. Imagine a device where the entire frame is touch-sensitive, responding to your grip and gestures with localized haptic feedback that mimics the feel of real buttons. But why does this matter? It's not just for looks. This design makes the iPhone 18 Pro virtually indestructible and completely waterproof. You could take this phone to the bottom of a swimming pool for a whole day, and it wouldn't blink. But the real magic happens when you turn the screen on. The display on the iPhone 18 Pro is set to be a polycrystalline oxide masterpiece. We're moving beyond OLED. Apple is reportedly perfecting micro-LED technology for the 18 Pro. This means colors that are so vivid they look painted on, and a peak brightness that could rival the sun, making outdoor visibility a non-issue. But here is the kicker. Under-display Face ID and the under-display camera, the dynamic island, it's evolving. It's becoming invisible when not in use, giving you a true 100% edge-to-edge viewing experience. No notches, no cutouts, just pure content. Now let's talk about the brain. The A20 Bionic chip. This isn't just a processor. It's a neural powerhouse built on a 2-nanometer process. To put that in perspective, the iPhone 18 Pro will have more computing power than the MacBook Pros of today. Why do you need that much power in your pocket? 2 words, Apple Intelligence 2.0. We aren't talking about a Siri that just sets timers. We are talking about an AI that predicts your needs before you even think of them. An AI that can edit your videos in real time, remove background noise from your calls using advanced acoustic modeling, and act as a personal assistant that actually knows your life's context. The A20 chip will allow for on-device generative AI that doesn't need the cloud. Your data stays on your phone, but the intelligence is world-class. But the biggest leap, the one that will make every Android user look over in envy, is the camera system. Apple is reportedly working on a variable aperture lens for the main 200-megapixel sensor. This is a game-changer for mobile photography. It means your iPhone will physically adjust its lens to let in more light in the dark or create natural, cream